Here's the 60-second script. Struggling to figure out why your circuit is behaving strangely? The answer is probably reactance, and getting it wrong can ruin your entire design. Inductive and capacitive reactance determine how your components respond to AC signals, and calculating them manually is slow and error-prone. That's where the Reactance XL XC interactive calculator comes in. Just plug in your frequency and your inductance or capacitance values, and it instantly gives you XL and XC in ohms. Let's say you have a 10 millihenry inductor running at 1 kilohertz. Your inductive reactance, about 62.8 ohms. Done. No formula hunting, no calculator fumbling. Whether you're designing filters, tuning resonance circuits, or just learning electronics, this tool saves you time and builds your intuition fast. Click the link below to try the free Reactance XL XC interactive calculator right now. Your circuits will thank you.